Yenyanum NDC for I said the Omopesa the Omokoye wa Blekuma North no the same to numbers of my yawa. Into Masha any soldiers at the area a Galamsey site for say Obi no obe omo so ye MPP abejo site if you nsem omom gita documents kra omdi tu om good kra amom won say ye hu say uye MPP ana u kan MPP asem kra na ye abejo site if you nsem nti renhwa na omde hye ye nwenu mu a omo ye good ho nduma but ni ngire chire no ye gidi say nyame be kasa na uba forma uti say form de dia but renhwa na koso ene ameno ka say ye MPP for ye prepare akaka bi ye ba ye vigil night e dia ona ye nua Ernest Kumi nyame adomo ochina so ye be fa no ye be peja no na yakoja na chi. You know, these are the two main activities for Enene Ochina. I mean, I don't mind. You say by Tuesday, MPP King Solomon Obedin Kunim ama MPP.
Okay, but in terms of security, war Akwatia no ye bisa say Sabre no apart from police for ye nya ntia say wo mo ba gu hoi. What's up picking some intel say NDC amanyokuo no ede wo internal security forces bi baba dwumedi na ase ana.
Oh, me no ka say Richard Japa on the national security for soldiers for get to be na mo basa bi na ngine eche no ye nwenu mo wa Akwatia omanka sam domania atoto form eno be hu NDC for musuban ene to asema edo mani mo mbe so moye na ye gidi say by Tuesday Akwatia for bekasa.
By Tuesday Akwatia for bekasa.
Sure.
Now more started door to door campaigning.
Oh yeah gusu. Eno po ye shasi na chepa me no ka say ejuma ne de ye born ye pa nti ye gidi say ye be surprise this for pa. And in terms of security no so ye mba say ye ba be kon but e be boy ho ban.
Se mo ka se mo be bom ho ban a na che se mo ankasa soso mo de mo internal security e be kwa akobom ho ban ho.
Oh ye ho ban ne e be bo no ni ngina gina rehemu a IGP odi amaye IGP ye hia no eni ni di nkomo omaye ti asese NDC na ano no wosuan bibi kakra fimu nti o ma bibi saa NCBO nti enu nti no amaye yenya arehemu se me wo police station na se macho ma bi ba be yi bibi boni a me won kwan se me stop no because o kaso kwa akobo me police force on benjamin nti enu no na arehemu a yenya ana se ye hu a ya boa no ya boa ye hu yie wo saa akonya nim se ye mpene ma NDC for embeboye ti se de omkoboye wo
Ablekuma.
Yes, because Ghana Police Service amayati say so meboy ho ban nti no se me gina me wo police station bi na oba na obaji ballot box akwa me mpene ma ho fanko because Ghana Police beba boa me amaya stop you.
Okay, so you are relying on the police but not on the internal security measures being put in place by the New Patriotic Party.
Me gidi say DSC ewa Blekuma North no ama party ni bia enya some level of energy o hwe odo a party for eyi de chairman no ama omenya some level of energy chese omo ba be party no hu ban ye nya security bia na party no obi aye security sisi am no ka say MPP party no sisi an obi aye abrewa kra o party nim kra po security sisi a it no NDC for no I be surprise some what we can prevent
Okay, so if you say
we'll stop them.
Okay, but if you say obi biara wo NDC mu NPP mu security we know that security situations goes with its own accoutrements like pepper sprays and guns. Is that supposed to mean that you are going to arm yourselves whilst on the ground?
No. Like I said, when it comes to arming ourselves, I think the police have done that. For us, we are not going to arm ourselves, but we will be very vigilant and we will stand for our rights, regardless of whatever they will come with. We will face them and we will stand for our rights.
That is going to be done legitimately without any use of any offensive weapon?
No. Sir, Usha, the CEO of Lukmanov here. Yanfa tu anko, yanfa bibi weapon bi anko. And now moye no. And I be reporting ma Ghana Police Service. And mama ya ati asese. I feel we the omo mpinima bisa emeye den. NC, o me boy ho ba. Nti no, the Ghana Police Service aka chair no. And no ka ho apart from that no. The omo di ye wa Blekmanov no. And no so I say yen crying as a party. And I make sure say abrewa cry already say Ushiano, na se u di bone, o ya dia en fine bra kwan mu. Me fa ne say ballot box who ko wia. Abro bit ma so mu so mpene ma won nko. Iso o mu kuye nyina wo no. E na yeso ye mbema pa. Enye say this say kita tu ana say sikan de bi yeso ye mbema. Say we say you stop you, I will stop you.
And Chris, is it Asamoah? I believe that I'm right with the name, Chris Asamoah. And you know, and you know, message ben pan as a siano. Modernam Akwatia wa mo catcher a year Akwatia adishia say or member to aba amamu candidate no.
Adebako I was say Obio Akwatia bia or Jim won say Adia a friend is saying Amo candidate NDC candidate lawyer what demonstrating attitude be a chese home for point mean trust no because sebi lawyer obi eyisika etua o kase sebi obi jima ade nti no ene no nko kokuma me yusumbra kwan so kokuna jima ade ma me ukoji ya na wo de wakofa afede fama me also fama me na waje saa bibi se no ye nyina ye wa ketia ye tia ase san se saa papa we onye obi a betimi aye den attract no because omo former MP no ono no ni Ernest Kumi akonwa ho ono no be fa wo se bo amena me nkoji akonwa no obefa utia uka udi skani wi e wasan so afa n'echi afede one no akoko asan di dia ufi se ono no fi se ene dia ni pase no ye de no bo man oye musuo nipa.
Okay, so
the NDC for the no ban oye musuo.
Okay, so I want
for your mistake e vote mana me ka chemo se Ernest Kumi sun bet yom Ernest Kumi ni sun bet yom ye pa into mom ko boss musuo no enyi se nipa no because some yi na Ernest ono wa tete na sa ni nsem ni ntro ta lawyer we nsem and ntro we ka bedu bebi ayedui wa tete Ernest sa Ukam samotiye ama okoko se okoji warrant omo fantino sa papa we are and
okay so beyond this message in terms of development niam ben sa na mo betime gina so akase Akwatia for nhwe so Ernest Kumi ba ya obeye within this short time or the party that year within the period they were in government for the 8 years say omehwe so say omuntu aba ema mo candidate no.
No creba kwa me meka kira won say NDC as a party no omamuni na no omo buy for the past 8 years no bibie no omaye and now in the history of by election say by election baby bia edimpuntuoba just some few years ago under MPP's leadership by election say by any na move development ya Russia ya koye ya say agrobe so na efia nopa nti NDC forward plans ema Akwatia fo a aka by election be o hwe ya Akwatia aye omo kwan bra omo bre kwan ye bi enye ni nya na etumi wie the aka no I was anka by this time po omo di bibi po sha ase ama nkrofo ni nya didie bi wo mu kumewu ye ko kumewu MPP ye development a man nkrofo ni nya didie wo omu asen baby a by election there in the history no baby a by election CBA no ye developmental project emma eyi timemufo no some level of energy emma omudo mu hu shem ekoto aba on by elections but this time around e be here because NDC for ankasa no omu fa ni dia ma Akwatia for omu ni odo omu ni bu omu ni shade mom inti no ye gidi say me no ka say Asumedu oya young gentleman but no ka say bie duma bebre we bie duma bebre a o hwehwe o hwe nkrofo o tia nkrofo ka wo kro ne so o workers bebre o mu free kro ne so ono nka say bie duma bebre o de buati memufo no inti Ernest wuye no de oja bia no Asumedu ba beto aso
all right
in terms of physical support, financial support, human building capacities.
Okay, finally, before we let you go, Gab Ben Pan officer Sumedu, a bit me lawyer na original NDC. I'm Gab no be saying.
Oh, me with my own assessments, minimum data. Yeah, what is here? Even though we are building some data. With my personal assessment, I'm looking about 67% by close of Tuesday.
67% win for
Asumedu.
For Asumedu.
Yes, MPP candidate.
All right. Ora Chris Asamoah better was say anyway. Chris Asamoah, a deputy national organizer for the New Patriotic Party.